Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I'm going to unbox one of the two watches from here. So these are MYKRONOZ watches and I bought them $4 each and I bought like four of them and I have sent two of them to my younger brother. And I haven't unboxed this actually and I don't know this works or not, but my brother's one, he said they are working. So these are like hybrid watches and it's not like regular smartwatches you can find here. So this one has like uh, mechanical parts too, so it has like physical hardware to run without, like, if you don't connect it or if you don't want to use it as a smartwatch. So I will be unboxing one of them, and I have a one with metal strap and one with leather strap, and I like the leather strap actually, although I have a lot of smartwatches now and I don't really use smartwatches. I use band only, and but I don't have any kind of like round dial smartwatch or any watch. So I bought them just to try luck because they are $4 each. So what can go wrong with them? Because even the metal strap may be worth more than that. So let's go and unbox one of these and try like they work or not. So I will be unboxing, as I said, leather one because it is lighter. So as you can see here, the box and the watch, and you can see the physical dial, and it has a display too. And you can see the box, and these are actually quite expensive when they released. So this one released in maybe in 2000, maybe 2018, maybe, not really sure. And you can see the Thai price here is about 9,000 baht. In today's money, maybe in dollar it will be like $250 at the time, but these are not that uh, expensive right now. I saw online it's about $80 or $79, and they are selling this. And you can see here production date is 2018 0.06, so it's like 4 or 5 years old. So let's go and unbox. So as you can see here, the sealed are not broken yet, and the seller said some of them has like broken seal, and he said that everything are there inside, so there is nothing like they're taking out. So let's go and break the seal and open it. I hope they work because these are quite amazing watches. So let's open this. Okay, let's see how it open. Yes, the watch come out. So as you can see here, it has a box here, and the base we have, I don't know, maybe these are documentation, and we have a micro USB cable to charge the device Z time, and inside maybe nothing else. So there are nothing else inside. So let's go and check. I don't know how we're going to. Okay, so this is the watch and it's brand new actually. So it never been opened or unwrapped from here. So as you can see here, let me move these things because, okay. Let me show you the documentation here first. So what we are getting, I don't really know how we're going to connect or anything. I did install the software so that we can connect. And as you can see here, scan me to get information and other things, and also MYKRONOZ like documentation for the device. So not really useful. So we have our cable. I don't know how we are going to charge this device. Let's see how we're going to do that. So let's unwrap this device first from here. How to open this? Should maybe it will come out this case. Don't really know how we're gonna do this. Okay, let's try to take it out from this side. Or okay, I'm struggling to open this thing. I don't really know how to do that. Okay, it's unlocked. Opened. Yes. Okay, the base is here, and we have the watch. So the watch is pretty much all metal built fully, and we have a leather strap here. And I don't know how to charge this device. So we don't have anything here to put the micro USB cable. I don't know where to charge it, how the way. So maybe something should be here to charge the device. It has a micro USB cable. Maybe there is something else to charge this device. Charge, get the app, enjoy. And let me read the documentation. so that we get the idea to charge this device. Okay, otherwise it will not gonna work. So take the documentation things. So let's see, let's read it together. So yes, warning, there is nothing actually, not much, no picture at all. I thought it has some sorts of thing to like, nothing here actually. So how are we gonna charge this device? This side also we have nothing, even this side also we have nothing. We have just few buttons and a dialer here, and in the back there is nothing actually. So how are we gonna charge this device? Do we need to take out the strap? I don't really know how this device will work. So there is something this side, maybe this is the USB port for charging. Hopefully you can see here. I don't know what is that, but I can't really press that or do anything there, but it's something is there. So how are we gonna charge? Oh, so we have a micro USB cable and we don't have anything else, and there is no base to do anything else. Then how are we gonna charge this device? Maybe these buttons come out? No, these buttons also just pressed, and we have our like sensors here. But how are we gonna charge this device? Anything? There is nothing actually moving parts here, and it's weird because they gave us a micro USB cable, but how are we gonna charge this device? There is nothing in the base. Is there anything I missed? Actually, I did not miss anything, but still I can't figure out what's going on. And there is nothing in this box. Maybe let's open another box and see. Maybe it charges wirelessly. The maybe something is missing in this box. So you open this one. So let's see. Okay, we cannot take out this base. Maybe you have to break the seal first. Okay, let's break the seal on this device. We no need to. Okay. Okay, broke the seal. Let's see. Yeah, this one is a bit hard to take out. Okay, we'll take out this one too. So the watch is here, so we're not gonna open this watch, just going to see what documentation are there. Yes, something is missing, is that the charger actually. So this one was missing on my another device on the cable, and we have a pin hole here. So one of them has missing charging pad, that's why it is not charging. So it does charge wirelessly then. So it's quite interesting though. So I don't know how it is missing from this box. Maybe it fall down or dropped somewhere, but it is missing. So let's go and check. So we'll connect this one with my PC actually, so that we can turn it on. So as you can see, there is no connection actually, no visible connection, as you can see here. So that means, and these are actually metal, so that means their charges like wirelessly, maybe, not really sure. So okay, connected one, and let's connect it to my PC. So okay, we put it here. Let's see how long it takes to show anything on the screen. Yes, as you can see here, MYKRONOZ Z time, and low battery is showing here, and it's gone now. So let's yeah, the device is turning on now. So okay, let's try to connect with the device. Let's try. It's not turning on right now, and it's vibrating actually. No, it's not charging. It's charging right now. Maybe we have to give it time to boot up automatically. let's see how long it takes, and I will catch you up after it turns on. Hey guys, so we are connected to the apps now and it has like 23% battery, and we have another one here. So I have been trying to charge this device and it was not charging actually. It show charging but it takes like it always stuck on low battery. And we have another one here with the metal strap, which one is kind of working right now. So it is like 23% battery and it has like new update for the firmware of the device. So let's go and give you a quick tour of the device. I hope it will not turn off automatically. So the device is here and it is quite heavy. So look wise it is really amazingly built actually. So fully metal build here, and you can see everything here, and it is 580 water resistant. And you can check here if it is like the screen is off, you can always check the time, and the time will show automatically. As you can see, even if the device fully discharged, still you can see the time. It will work like 30 days even after discharge. So let's show you the menu and other things. So as you can see the screen, and maybe we have to press some button here to go inside. So crown, and we can adjust the time directly from here too. So press the crown. Okay, confirm. The time is changed now automatically. So we are in the device, and if you like swipe, you can see what we are like. You can change the some of this face here, and maybe there are a lot of face available in the device which you can choose from. It's up to you. And if we swipe left, and other, like we have like messaging and our like other things here. And if we swipe left more, and we have many icons here. Even you can control music, and we also can control, like, can we have a shutter button here. So the device is turned off now automatically. Maybe we have to put it in charger again so that we can use this device. So let's see, maybe it will turn on. So maybe this device, as I said, I bought them as a dead device. So maybe this device, because of like very old devices, so it has some sort of battery issue. Maybe I have to like change the battery in this device. I don't know I will be able to find the battery for these devices or not. Maybe I have to keep them for charging for a long time to like the battery to be recovered. So now it's showing low battery, and if I check the app, so okay, let's refresh. Maybe it will show the battery percentage here. So in the battery now you can see it's showing 30% battery left in this device, but actually it is low battery still. Maybe we can use this device like this or not, I don't know. So let's try to use this device like this, like in the connected. So okay, it's showing like low battery still. I can't really do anything right now, but the device actually is really good. But if the battery is not good now, how I'm going to use this device? So that's one point. And although the time was synced, now it changed because maybe I just spin the crown, that's why. So it is not working now. As you can see, it's showing the charging percentage here. It was like when I connected this device, it's still showing like 30% here, but in the app there is something going wrong with these devices. So two of them pretty much similar issue. Quite good build and looks good actually, and has really premium build quality, but the battery has some sort of issue. But it's still, for $4 I would say it's worth the money. Although I'm going to ask the seller to send me the charger for this device. Let me see. I don't think he will do anything about that because he sold out all the devices. Maybe he has no left devices, so I have to ask them to send me one like charger maybe he has lying around. So now you can't do anything here. It doesn't even do anything right now. So maybe I have to charge this device for a long time, and that's it all about this device. Maybe I will give you a full review of this device after some time. As for now, I can't do anything about these devices. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.